Hi guys, in today's video I will use the amigurumi yarn and a 5mm 2-point needle. We are going to start by making the magic ring. I will raise 3 chains, counting the one with the magic ring, to form the height of the double crochet. Now here inside the magic ring, let's work more. 13 double crochet. We will take one total of 14 points, including initial currents, Now that I've finished the 14 double crochet, I will introduce the needle at the first double crochet, after the chains, and here I will make a slip stitch. To continue, I make a chain, and I will cut my wire. Let's do a color change. I insert the needle right here at the point where we made the slip stitch. I am looking for the new wire color and work 4 chains. I tie the needle twice, come back in the same space. I look for the thread already hiding these initial leftovers. Loop shooting 2 straps. Shot loop plus 2. Loop draw the last 2 straps forming treble crochet. Following, loop for 2 times. Again, come back at the same point and repeat, plus treble crochet. After making 2 treble crochet, here in the same space, I will make 1 chain. I will tie the needle twice. Now at the next point, we will work 2 treble crochet. Then I finalize the first point, and now I do another double treble crochet here in the same space. After finishing the 2 points, we will work 4 chains and 1 slip stitch. Here at the last worked point, we will repeat this 7 times. So let's start another petal, making 4 chains. I tie the needle twice. I come at the next point, and here I work 2 high double points. I make 1 chain, loop for 2 times. Now at the next point, let's do 2 double high points. After making these 2 points, we will finish 1 more petal, making 4 chains and 1 slip stitch at this same point that we have just worked. Let's repeat this 7 times. After finishing, cut the leftover wire and finish. To continue, I will use another wire color. Then I do it on the slide. I leave it in my needle. I insert the needle here into the turf space. Inside the petal, I look for the thread and make a single crochet. Now we are going to make 3 chains. I tie the needle twice and make a double treble crochet right here at the slip stitch from previous row. I make 3 chains. I insert the needle into the space of the chain inside the petal. And here I make a single crochet. I make 3 chains. I tie the needle twice. And at the slip stitch of the previous row, work a double treble crochet. I repeat this all around. Ready, staff. I finish the lap with a slip stitch. The piece is looking like this. Now I will make a chain, and here in the same space I will work a single crochet. After making the single crochet, we will work 8 currents, and here on top of the previous row, single crochet. I will work a single crochet. So these handles are forming. I make 8 chains. After making the 8 little chains, let's insert the needle here at the bottom of the base. And here we are going to make a single crochet. After making the single crochet, let's work 8 gullies again. I do 8 chains and a single crochet on top. From the single crochet, let's do this to the penultimate single crochet. Here on the 7th repetition, we will work 4 chains, loop twice. I insert the needle here at this initial single crochet and work a double treble crochet. This way. It'll be pretty centered here in the middle of the strap. For the next round, I'm going to insert the needle here inside the strap. I look for my thread and make a single crochet. Starting the next round. Work 8 chains. And here you can mark this first single crochet. To be able to identify the beginning of each turn, I come in the next arc and work on a single crochet. And let's go on like this until you get there at the penultimate, on the penultimate repetition. So I make 8 chains. Inside each arc, I make 1 single crochet. Ready, staff? I got here on the last repeat. And here we are going to repeat what we did in the previous career. So I make 4 chains. I tie the needle twice and insert the needle into this first single crochet, picking up the 2 handles from that point. Here I make a double treble crochet, ending this turn. Here in this same space, make a single and start another round. And here you will repeat the same orientation from previous row. Let's make 8 chains. Then 1 sibgle here inside this arc. And in every one of them, let's make 1 single crochet and 8 streams. At the penultimate point, let's finish with the 4 chains and the double treble crochet. After making some careers, the piece was like this. So here I made around 11 rows, okay? You can do as many turns as you like for your piece. And now we're going to do the finishing. Before the strap, make a chain. I come here inside the handle. And let's do inside this little ring, right? Let's make 3 single crochet. Step to the next strap. Next ring of chains. And here on this ring, I will work 7 single crochet. And in each of them, I'm also going to work on 7 single crochet. When you finish every lap, working 7 single crochet inside each ring, let's finish the first ring we made. Ready, staff? Here I finished my lap with single crochets. And I'm going to finish this ring here by making 4 single crochet. Then just make 1 slip stitch. Here at first single crochet. To make the handle, we're going to do something really simple, but you can modify the case you want. I will start by making 3 chains. Loop introduces needle in this same space. I am looking for thread, shot 2 handles only. Let's repeat this 5 times. Making 5 half-closed double crochet is a high point without giving the final loop. So here I am on the 3rd P. 4th double crochet, shooting 2 straps just from the point. And our 5th half-closed double crochet. After making all the double crochet, we'll stick with 6 rings on the needle. Now I will tie and take all. 1 time. I do 1 gully. Loop, and here inside the space of the first stream, we are going to work 5 half-closed double crochet, just like we did before. After making all the double crochet, we'll stick with 6 loop rings. I throw them all at once, and here we will keep repeating. I make 3 chains inside the first of the space of the first stream. I make this same point. Here you can do, how many points do you prefer? To have a strap bigger or smaller than mine? Here in my case, I made between 12 and 13 points, okay? Now you will fold your piece, trying to find the parallel side where we started there. So I'm going to fold it like this, and I will find a parallel point where I started. Here I already have the tapestry needle. And we are going to make a very simple seam, passing the wire here at this point. And inside the strap, I repeat this movement a few times. Step right inside of the last stream I made so as not to let go of the stitch. Then I come back, again to the base point, and I repeat this movement. When it's pretty safe here. On the side, interior part, I will do the wire finish. Before I'm going to make a nose to get firmer. And then I will follow, hiding this leftover wire here inside the dots. Ready staff, and this is the result of our crochet bottle holder. Super simple, very easy and quick to do. And it looks beautiful. You can make different colors. Here I give you 2 really cool examples to use. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And even more,